Everyone, welcome to Kads Review. Today I'm so excited to be unboxing Prize Punch Box, and this was sent to me for review, so thank you to Prize Punch Box for sending this out to me. And this is something different to my channel, and so this is a prize box, and it's great for parties. It has 16 sections that you fill with prizes that are not included, and you will have 48 punches, so there's 3 inserts, and I'll show you all that once I set it up. And so it's basically like a piñata, but without all the hassle. And you'll see once I set it up. It's really cool, so much fun. You can use it for birthdays, kids' birthday parties. Think of all the fun. Each kid will actually get a gift, a prize, and there will be no fighting because of one kid got more than the other. And you can use it for adult birthday parties. You can use it for Christmas parties. It's endless what you can use it for. You can also use it for fundraisers, giveaways, and their pricing is $49.99 plus free shipping. And like I said, it comes with 3 inserts, which I'll show you. And it's pretty simple to set up, and you can keep reusing it, and it's a great thing. And then I'll show you what else you can actually do with it. So let's open it up and see what it actually looks like inside. So, it did come with, it came in a cardboard box, and it also came in a plastic bag. So I took it out of there just to make it a little easier. And these are the instructions. So let's check it out. And so these are the inserts, and this will go over these right here. And as you can see, I think there's, not sure how many is in here, but we will check it out anyways. And okay, so it does say it comes with 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set the box up, and then you can see actually how it works. Okay, so this is what it looks like, completely put together, and how cool is that? So if you are having a kid's birthday, you can actually decorate this. You can put balloons up here and, you know, whatever theme you want to do. And if you're doing some type of giveaway, or you want to make it more fun for the kids or anyone, you can put numbers right here. So have it 1, 2, whatever. Have a put numbers in a bowl and have them pick it out. So if they get number 4, they punch out number 4. So there's so many options that you can do with this. So I'm going to just show you how it works. So you'll see the step-by-step as I put it together. Very simple. And the insert's really cool because it's not just like a flimsy piece of paper. It's actually on cardboard. And I'll show you the back side of the cardboard, how it looks with the insert. So you do receive 3 of them. And like I said, online you can order more inserts. And then they have all kinds of prizes and stuff on Amazon and different party places that you can get a huge pack of kids' birthday favors and little toys and stuff and put them in. Or you can even do like some toys, little bags of candy, and those little cellophane bags all wrapped up and stuff. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a little example of, so we'll do this one. Punch it out. Grab out the first one. And, okay, and we got another one here. I just did some little examples. I didn't fill them all up, so. And you could put gift cards. That's what I had in here, some gift cards. So apparently you should put them in with, like in the little envelope or something, because I think it might have slipped through the holes. And I mean, how fun would this be for a birthday party? And then, you know, if there's more than 16 kids in you can go for another set because you'll have 3 inserts. If you have 2 squares left, you can always just put numbers in. Whoever gets the star or whatever you want to do, they'll get an extra turn to do the punch board. So, I mean, I absolutely love this. I think this is just such a fun addition to a party, and any type of party, put streamers around it, some balloons, and make it look really festive. So they did an amazing job with this, and like I said, it is, the pricing is $49.99 and free shipping, and you can also order extra inserts. And so a great different type of feature for different parties and giveaways, and a lot of different uses for it. So thanks again to Prize Punchbox for sending this out to me for a review, and I'll link all the information down below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.